NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the Motor Menders annual Rod Ride. This is always a huge show.
Family traditions. I guess this is Miss
That's supposed to be
Auto
64 and a
Body.
half.
Fisher's Auto Body.
And you asked about
Hosses.
the Avante 2.
Haven't had
There
a
she
steak from
is.
there in a while. Chili's, Texas Roadhouse,
Sunroof.
Applebee's, Permani
Got,
Brothers.
covers.
Permani Brothers. Mason Dixon Car Club, the
That's neat.
Olds guys, and Bob McSherry. And if you're wondering how they sponsor us, if you heard them, there's a possibility, there's a gift certificate or something like that we'll be giving away from them a little bit later on. And as I mentioned, we have not done that 50-50 yet, but it is
34
happening.
Chevy. All right.
That wasn't me.
Did you build the Rambler?
Everybody
No, my
ready
grandpa
now?
did.
This is great.
Thank you.
That is great.
All right.
What's under the hood?
350.
350. When did he build it?
He bought it in Indiana and then during COVID tore it down and redid it.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Yeah, wow.
This is gorgeous.
Cool.
He did the body work too?
That's it.
Very
100. Those are the last three digits on the winning ticket for $327.
That is cool.
You got to show it to me
They went
to get that cash. And then after we give away that $327, we got 6 very
Oh,
cool
I see this kicking
custom
around.
signs to give away.
I can't quite make out the
So
signatures.
if you got
Oh,
that
George
100
Barris.
on those,
There we go.
on that blue ticket,
Wow.
somebody yell.
Nice. We've seen this around a number of times. Well worth it, wouldn't you agree?
I hate to.
Everything comes in. TR6, Pontiac 6000. Look at that Ford Coupe.
Might be in the building.
I'm going to go this way for a little bit. I like the TR6. You know me with the Brits. Little Model A. Unfortunately, so a bow tie under the hood. But still looking pretty good.
Hey, can you all hear me in the building? Okay. You told?
Love the little 32s.
All right.
Sun of Shade, well earned.
All right, we'll do last 4 digits.
289.
9100.
Now, of course, when was the Fastback introduced? It's not introduced with the 65 Mustang 64, April 17th. Nice little Plymouth. This is 33? 31. Okay, 31. With the wide grille, not the ribbon. And of course, we have the Camaro. Guess what? It's an SS. 68, 350. 360 in the Javelin. That is nice. So fine, so fine. Again, Chevy. It's about 31, 32. All right, they got the 50-50 going out. Nice little 36 pick 'em up. Autism Vet. Little Chevy 2. Definitely not a mouse. 350.
Looking for that one now for a custom sign.
Saw this one yesterday. Go to as many shows as I do, you'll start seeing them all. And if you've been watching quite a bit, that's nice. 67. No, we didn't see this one. Nice little Chevy. I love the fleet back. Looks like a vintage custom job. A little bit of modern muscle over here. LS1 under the hood. And of course, we got our Challengers. Nice little Hellcat. That's an 18. I like this. Next to 70 Cuda. Sold new by Kessler Motors in Pompton Lakes, New Jersey. Restored since 2002 by Coors Customs. 340 4-speed, one of 2,372 built. I like seeing them more unusual, you know that.
All right, I'm just going to move on to the next one then. 864.
That sounds so good, that feeling.